आजादी का परचम है, सम्मान तिरंगा है। भारत का है गौरव, अभिमान तिरंगा है। कभी नहीं मिटने वाली वो आन तिरंगा है। आजादी के दीवानों की जान तिरंगा है।
Jai Hind. On this special occasion, we are here to celebrate 77th Independence Day. This day marks the memory of the end of 200-year British rule on 15th August 1947 by the efforts of our freedom fighters.
हमें यह बताते हुए अत्यंत हर्ष हो रहा है कि आज हमारे बीच एमडी सर के पिताश्री श्री आनंद गोयल सर भी मौजूद हैं। आइए 77वीं स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाते हैं, शहीदों की शहादत को गाते हैं, आजादी के दीवानों को यादों में सजाते हैं, आजाद हिंद के परवानों को फिर से यहीं बुलाते हैं, बलिदानी मत वालों सी मन में अलग जगाते हैं। आइए 77वीं स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाते हैं। पुष्प की अभिलाषा भी तो कुछ ऐसी ही है, मुझे तोड़ लेना तुम वनमाली, उस पथ पर तुम देना फेंक, मातृभूमि पर शीश चढ़ाने जिस पर जाएं वीर अनेक।
Yes, we begin the day by paying our tributes to the son of this brave soil and founder of our bank, Lala Lajpat Rai ji.
Member of PNB Parivar. A very warm welcome of each one of you in today's occasion. First of all, my best wishes and best compliment to each one of you on this 77th Independence Day of our nation. I think we should remember the sacrifice and the struggles given by all the freedom fighters, on account of which we are present today. And we should remember the glory of all the freedom fighters who has given their life for make the independence of our country. And if you see the last 18 and 19 months, the bank has tremendously remarkable progress in all the parameters. If you see the June 2023 number which we have announced in the July 2023, first time in the history of the Punjab National Bank has achieved a milestone of 22 lakh crore business. Not only achievement of the 22 lakh crore business, we have got our second position back, which we have lost in the December 2023. My compliment to all of you, because without the support of 10,000 branches, without the support of the 1 lakh employee, without the support of the 2 lakh hands, it was not possible. Last but not the least, last 1.5 years, I am just seeing, because on account of this GNPA, net NPA percentage, which was the bottom of the all 12 public sector bank, तो हम ये कहते थे, we are following the industry, कि which position we want to reach from the 12th position to 10th or 5th, but time will come. Today we are following the industry. Time will come, industry will follow the Punjab National Bank. We have to follow the Punjab National Bank, how the Punjab Bank is working.